morning. I'm at Golden Gate Canyon, not too far from Denver, Colorado, and I'm going to do the Burro Trail, possibly to Windy Peak. Windy Peak's a spur. I haven't decided if I'm going to do the spur or not. I'm going to see how I feel. The goal today, I haven't done this trail before. This is a first for me. The goal today is two things. One is if I do the Windy Peak spur, there are views up there. You know, some reviews say they're great, some say they're not worth the climb, and so I want to find out for myself. The other thing is, you know, right now it's aspen season, and I'm just looking around, and there's a lot of gold out here right now, so I'm hoping for some good aspen love today, get some color. And that's it. This is a lollipop hike. Depending on whether I do the spur or not, it's going to be anywhere from 5.5 to 7 miles, so I'll see you up there. We reached the beginning of the loop. I'm going to head right, go counterclockwise on the Burro Trail. So we were only on this wider road for a few minutes. Now we're getting back on the regular Burro Trail. This is the junction to Windy Peak if you go right here. And you know, I probably shouldn't because I have so much to do, but I'm doing it. It's an extra 1.5 miles. Why not? Well, hello. I've reached the top of Windy Peak, and I'm so glad I took this side spur because, I'll show you in just a second why. Well, as much as I love it up here, it's time for me to roll. I could stay up here all day, despite the fact that it's called Windy Peak. There's no wind up here. The sun's on me, the temperature's really nice. It's just beautiful early October weather. I've got beautiful snow-capped mountains behind me, pine carpeted hills and lots of gold aspen groves. It's really just amazing. I could just sit all day, but I can't. Duty calls, I've got stuff to do, so I'll see you on the way down. and I absolutely loved this hike. I'm so happy right now. This was a really great hike. I knew I would like it, but I didn't think I would like it this much. So definitely try the Burro Trail loop up in Golden Gate Canyon. I'll give you more details in the hike description, but just to talk about what my favorite part, definitely the view at the top of Windy Peak. That was a real surprise. I loved that. It was really pretty. And what I'm grateful for today is fall weather. It's early October and it's absolutely beautiful today. It's warm and sunny and it's just perfect hiking weather. It was chilly this morning, but once I got moving and once the sun came up, it was okay. So that's it. I'll give you more details in the trail description. And just be sure to, if you like the video, give the video a like or even subscribe. I'm going to have lots more than this. So have a great day.